Hey everyone, it's Gizmo here. I know I got a horrible face, but I got some cute dogs. But no, I'm just coming out to say is that we all go through a lot. We got our cute little animals. We got our cute kids. If you have kids, nieces, nephews, friends, this and that. Look like I'm balding right there. Guess I'm getting old. Nah. But truth be told, look, everybody needs some help. Thing is, if somebody's asking you for help them. Doesn't matter if they ask you the same question 100 times in a row. They look to you for help, and you should help them. Shouldn't be about, oh, I know more than you, now you're annoying me, or this or that. In a work-related subject, if somebody asks for help them. That's all I'm saying. I mean, something I deal with it on a daily basis. Everyone's so scared to help somebody. Nobody wants to help anybody. I'm not going to say I work in a cutthroat industry. It's just people are not as kind as they used to be. They used to help. I mean, well, then again, back when I first started, nobody helped me. But at the same time, I know what it's like not to be helped. To have to learn on the fly. But any of these managers or seniors or this or that in any company, when somebody's coming to you for help, you're not above them. The Lord's above you, and the Lord asks you to help. So do so. Don't look down on them. Do not talk negatively to them. It's an honor for somebody to come to you for help. It's an insult to yourself and anyone else when you talk down upon them when they ask for help. Because at the end of the day, you're going to be the one to be blamed when something goes wrong because you refuse to help. Okay. So just help everybody. Do the best you can. If your workload's too hard, you can just tell them, oh, I figured out what that is. That's gray hair. Okay. It's gray hair. But at the end of the day, your workload gets too strong, just keep going. Even though you got a million things to do, it doesn't take more than a minute to help somebody. Now, I'm not saying go out and give all your paycheck to some random person on the side of the road that probably has a Range Rover parked in the parking lot on the side. Parking lot. Just right near that intersection. I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is you were gifted. If you have any kind of knowledge at all, you were gifted. And you should not be afraid to help at all. Personally, I know people that have a lot of knowledge, but they feel insulted and talked down to people. But it is what it is. I dealt with that my whole life. That's why I don't want to live that way, and neither should y'all. Somebody needs help. Help them. And we're not talking about the bums on the street, like I said again. We're talking about people at work. The newcomers. The kids. They're the next generation, but they're not going to know unless somebody trains them or helps them. Do we want them to learn how we learned? Being thrown out there and get told, hey, figure it out? We don't want that. We don't want them to go through the same tension and stress we went through. That was just more stress and headaches that we wanted to deal with. Okay? Help people that need help. That's all I ask.